I'm going to go over two tickers starting with Mara. We ended the day at $11.11, up 1.46%. This is where we ended. To the north side takes us to VWAP at $11.13. The middle of the trend that I track is 11.21. I will change that color. Above that, at 2 standard deviations, 11.48. If we're lucky for Thursday, 11.60. And then down the road, you can expect price to get to 11.74 if we continue our uphill incline here on this trend line. So looking left, you've got clear resistance here. And I set a sell order, and I'm not even sure if it happened while I was sleeping or up but not paying attention because I was very busy. So that's your clear resistance. And when I set this order limit a long time ago, not a long time ago, but recently, I figured that we would hit this point, and we did actually. So that was very nice to see. And down here, well, we bounced off of the lower channel of VWAP, but this is your clear buy signal, clear sell signal, clear sell, and your other sell signal, along with this line, clear resistance. And to the south side, what's happening? I think I don't think we have any more gaps. I'm going to have to track that, but I do still own some at 9.17. So I bought here at 9.47, and during this period, I thought, okay, well, whenever we hit this level, I flipped it over to either the 15 or whatever other time frame, a larger time frame. I thought, oh, that sounded pretty reasonable to get to. And from here, that's, oh, the 6th, roughly. And then I sold out today, the 14th. And, oh, here's a gap to the south side whenever we reverse course. Not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close. Okay. And this closed to the south side at 10.08. I shall delete these. Okay, that formed on Monday, November the 25th, so congrats. And what's happening? Oh, I forgot to delete the, oops. Well, let's just delete the 11.27. No longer in play. And this one is no longer in play. And that took us down to 11.52. That landmine has closed. And what is happening here? This one touched at 12.73-ish and then started melting. Oops. I think I shall wrap this one up, but you get the point. I'll delete. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, this one is still in play. And then this one is done. So congrats if you made some money off of this ticker. I will delete this one now. So I cashed out at an 18.55% return, so not too shabby. Yeah, this thing has just whipped us all over the place. Now, the next one I want to go over is VRT. Pretty sure that was the one. Yeah. Trader Murat alerted me to this one. Back here, I did a video. Did I do it on Monday or did I do it on, maybe I did it on Sunday or Monday? Oh, Sunday. Hello. So he bought VRT, S, and ANET, and then I did SNDK. So since I already did that one, I need to do VRT. So we're at 170.93. When he told me about it, roughly around here, well, not roughly, what am I saying? I'm just that's stuck in my head. We were at 170.53-ish, basically in the same level. But we had that pop and then a rollover. This is support on the way down, as well as that line and this line. And then we bounced back up. Ooh, and I see a gap right here. And did that gap close? Yes. Okay, so that is done. So anyway, we fell back down to a clear support level, clear resistance, and then back down. So let me give you price targets. Looks like we're just basically going sideways since Monday. Well, even beyond. Look at, I have to see this in a bigger range. Could be just up and down. Okay, back to this. That's resistance, potential take profit area. 178.61 down the road, 181.25 and 184.02. South of that, 167.87 for a pullback, 165.42 and 162.65. The 1-year price target is 204.29, which represents a nearly 20% return from where we are. No wonder he is interested in this ticker. Okay, there you are. 174, 204, 230. Of course, it's not going to be easy, but in the long game. Option R. So let's look at this on the daily. Your clear buy, that's too bad, down here. Your clear sell, and then now we're at support, so then a bounce, and then the next leg up will be 212.52. And watch out for some landmines to the south side. All right, that does it for me. Actually, I'm just curious. Let me look at the RSI. So we are turning down. Okay, that's for reversal. And then on the weekly, going up. And then the monthly also going up. But look at all that movement up here. All right, that does it for me. Have a great trading day.